Does somebody want to play fetch? Did you want to play? Oh. Is this your baby? Oh, ready? Okay. Ready? And this is why we don't have any rugs in the house in order. That one wasn't too bad. Oh, look at that good girl. Okay. Ready? Okay. Oh, you're such a good girl. Are you ready? Do you want to play again? Okay. That's why we don't have any rugs that are in order. Because we played chase. Huh. Yeah. Are you ready? What do you think, Grace? Yeah, that's impressive to you, I know. Okay. Here's your baby. You ready? Okay. Should we go that way? Are you ready? And go again? Are we going again? One more time?